really like to be out in nature and camping, but that is not me. I do not want to be in a tent, but the idea of getting to be in an RV and share those comfortable memories, that's what I want. And I feel like that's so much more us.
Right. Going camping! Some of the places that we want to go see with our kids the age that they aren't realistic. But if you're able to go in an RV, it really extends your range. You can do day trips and come back. It's kind of a bridge between home and whatever adventure you want to go on. We have an idea of where we're going and what we're doing until Ben, did you guys see this over here?
Gastropod! These are gastropods. I think the thing that we've been learning that makes being out in nature and camping more exciting is that we're learning about how to be curious.
He's got his magnifying glass.
Don't get the sun in it, otherwise it's gonna kill him.
Now I get to experience it with him and get back to the wonder that's in nature.
Now can I hold it?
Yep. I'm thinking about my stuff, and then when he interrupts me and brings me back to his world.
Boy, you have dirty pants.
Yep. It helps me understand the stuff that I'm passing by.
Right over there.
Where?
I saw fish right over there.
Right over there, huh?
Yeah.
For us, when we were camping, the RV became kind of that central hub.
Oh, thank you.
Where everything would happen, all the meals that happen there, because you can do such a better meal. So put it on top, squish it down.
Cheers! Yay! An RV gives people like me the opportunity to actually do the things I want to do. And I want to be out in nature with my family. And I want to get a good night's sleep and stay dry.
About having the RV, you can really get to enjoy a place.
Those are important things.
We're not throwing rocks right now, bud. That scares fish.
Oh, I forgot.
Life is wonderful.